Hey everyone! Today we're drawing Sam Rutherford from Star Trek Lower Decks, the upbeat engineer who loves fixing starships and always says, "This is actually kind of awesome." So let's get started. So we'll first start drawing an oval shape, a long oval for the head. And then we're going to add a curved line at the top for his hair. So Rutherford serves aboard the Californian-class starship in Star Trek Lower Decks, and is known for his calm, friendly attitude, even in the most chaotic situations. While everyone else is panicking, Rutherford is usually smiling and saying something like, "This is actually kind of awesome." So despite working in a high-stakes Starfleet engineering, Rutherford stays humble, kind, and endlessly curious. He's the type of guy who will cheerfully volunteer for dangerous missions and then apologize for being too enthusiastic about it. So as he once casually puts it, "I'm just happy to be here." So as we draw Sam Rutherford today, think about the blend of optimism, intelligence, and pure Starfleet heart. He represents the joy of discovery, not just in space, but in figuring out yourself along the way. So now I'm getting into drawing his eyebrows. I will draw a reference line so the two eyebrows stay on the same level. And then I'll draw an oval for his eye. He's looking to the sides, and I'm going to add a curved line for his nose and another same sized oval for the other eye. Again, I'm drawing a reference line so that the two eyes stay at the same level, and then an angle line for the mouth. So now let's draw his signature hairstyle. So he has two cool lines shaped on the side of his hair. And now let's draw the ear. So the ear is slightly below the eye level. Now let's draw the neckline. So we're gonna bring down a straight line. Now let's start drawing the uniform. So Sam wears the Starfleet engineering uniform, which is recognizable by its bold yellow color, which we'll color later. And so in Star Trek Lower Decks, yellow represents engineering and operations, making it a perfect match for Rutherford's role. The uniform has a clean, structured design with black shoulders and a high collar that gives it a sharp look. It's simple but very intentional, so every line and color helps define the character at a glance. So I think what's interesting about Rutherford's uniform is how it contrasts with his personality. The uniform looks official and disciplined, but Rutherford himself is relaxed, friendly. That contrast is part of what makes him such a fun character to draw. So on the chest, you'll see a Starfleet Delta design, and that is a symbol of exploration, teamwork, and discovery. We're just adding some finishing details to the uniform. And now we are ready to use a marker pen to trace the drawing and add color. And we are done. I added the eyepiece as well. So if you like this drawing, please hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.